Hello, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter security and lock screen. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none. Now let's select swipe, pin, password, and in the end let's select pattern. Now when it's done, we can set up Fingerprint Unlock by simply scanning our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the bottom of the screen display. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And the last method by which we can unlock the phone is face recognition. Simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Let me scan my face one more time. Or just simply unlock it. Make sure that unlock device function is enabled. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.